Welcome back to another video. We got special hands here with Flash Custom Transfers, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And in today's video, we are going to be going over our new pre-orders. As you guys know, we have released the first DTS gang sheet that stands for Direct to Substrate. This is a substrate because it's straight and it's flat, and the Mimaki UJF series can print UV print directly to the substrate. So in this video, we're going to be going over a little bit of the profits that you can make, but the opportunities that you have right now if you want to get in and get this gang sheet that you're looking at with your image to be able to do awesome designs, awesome trinkets, and all types of other things for a very low price. Right now, $350. We are doing a pre-order sale, $350, because this product was just released. It was just shown. We actually did the little short video. We put it up on the channel. It's a little short of this exact gang sheet being cut out on a Trotec laser at the impression show that just ended. So we're gonna go over a lot of things in this video. You're gonna learn a lot in this video because, again, this is your first time seeing this product. DTS gang sheet does not exist in the industry. People have been UV printing for a very long time, but this type of product does not exist, and we're going to introduce it to you and share it with you. Stay tuned, grab some popcorn, and let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so if this is your first time tuning in, hit that subscribe button because we have been covering a lot of different products for 2024. This right here, this is our main new product. You know that Flash Custom Transfers and Straight Outta Content, we always like to introduce new products to maximize your profits. We are headed into tax season. Last year, DTF was the biggest thing. Everybody jumped into it. Everybody got a DTF printer from China and everybody's trying to print DTF, but the profit margins just aren't there like a product like this right here. And Chelly's going to actually talk and explain a lot of things as well. But as an introduction for this video, I just want to let you guys know that this product is so new. It was just shown and featured from Mimaki. Shout out to Carissa. She featured this product and it was a hit. It was a hit with Mimaki. It was a hit with a lot of people there. So they are really loving the fact that we are showcasing this new product and trying to get this information out there, because we truly believe that you out there, if you invest, especially at $350 a gang sheet, this doesn't even have to be for one customer. You could create all of these different products and products that aren't even on this table. With the croc charms and all this other stuff, you could take a gang sheet like this, which is 24 by 12, and half of it could be for one customer, the other half could be for the other customer. Right now, at about this whole thing is about 108 items on this sheet. We are selling the whole gang sheet pre-order for $350. That's about $3.25 per item. You could sell each item 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 20 bucks, depending on where you're at, what item that you put on here, what graphic that you have. Your profit margins are huge and they're way bigger than the profit margins that you have. Just wanted to stop this video real quick and let you guys know to head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com right now. Enter the giveaway. Yes, you have the opportunity to win a Mimaki TXF-150-75 DTF printer. All you have to do is head on over to Flash Custom Transfers, hit enter now, and you can get a bunch of different entries. So 15 bucks get you one entry, 25 bucks get you two entries, 50 bucks get you 5, and 100 bucks get you 10 entries. You can purchase as many as you want. Just go ahead, click here, click all this stuff, hit add to cart, and get into the giveaway. Get into it now. Get a chance to win a free Mimaki printer. Yes, it will come with ink and consumables and everything that you need, installation, everything. We will be there to help you out. So go ahead, go now, right now. Let's go ahead and get back into the video. And regular apparel DTF.
Yes, so this is our DTF, our direct to substrate. And this acrylic substrate right here is a silver substrate. So anything that you print on here, any earrings, any tags, any chains, any croc charms, they will take that silver color, acrylic color on the edges, just like these earrings here. So when you're determining what substrate you want, keep that in mind. We do do have gold substrates, the silver, and we have clear. So I like clear the best because it looks like it's on both sides. So just imagine these earrings here, you would be able to see this color on each side. So it would be a clear substrate. So remember that when you're ordering.
You want to show them a little example of that?
A clear one? Oh yeah.
Because you have that excuse. So we have that exactly.
Yes, we have that here. And then I'm gonna flip it over.
Oh, so you guys see it right there?
Mm-hmm. So that is one side. And then we also have these charms here. And then once it is flipped over, it is exactly the same. So remember, you can get it on clear. We just have our silver and gold substrates here. And if you do like silver and gold, you can also change out the jewelry here, the silver to match the silver, and then you can get gold on a gold. So whatever you're into, it's all custom.
Yes, yes.
And as Carl mentioned, these are $350 because these are pre-orders. We are doing a lot of beta testing. This is our first round of DTS. We're really excited, but we do want y'all to know this is our first round. So, so that's why they are a little cheaper until we get the ball rolling, until we you know, kind of perfect it for you guys. So we are giving you that little discount just so we can see exactly how everything's going to go down. What's up? Just how everything is going to go down. So yeah, so like
and we did the same thing with the DTF transfers from Mimaki.
Yes, we started. Yes, absolutely right. We did do those at a discount just to make sure that everything, you know, it was our first time printing on Mimaki. We did do it at a discount. We did figure out we had to change the color profile.
Yes.
And we were able, thankfully, thank you Flash Fam, you let us rectify those issues that we had with the coloring. So same thing here. We just want to make sure we get the correct color profile. If we do not, we can fix it. All of those things. So please get into the beta testing for $350 because those prices will be going up.
Yes.
As soon as we get this first round out, we'll, you know, and perfect it, that price will go up. As you can see, what's up?
Just let them know that outside of gray, gold, clear, there's also black.
Yes, there's
and white.
Yeah, there is
Substrates, yes, because I always like to just remind them of that. And then whenever you were talking about color profiles, a big question that we kind of have is, so in the DTF world, I'll just give you guys a quick behind the scenes. In the DTF world, which one would we print? Would we print this one or would we print this one? And I don't know if the camera can really see the difference, but Chelly definitely can see the difference. Which one would we print?
We would print this one.
Exactly. So, and the reason why we would, and if you look at the different Trotecs, this one looks like blood, this one looks like a little brighter. So the difference is these don't have white behind them. They don't have a white underbase. Now it does give it a cooler look, not necessarily a cooler look, but it does give it a different look. But look at this one. It's not as vibrant. But if you were to use this one on clear, right, babe?
It wouldn't be too much of a difference because it's dull because it's taking that color of the substrate.
Exactly. But say you did want gray and you didn't want the white, then you would get a cool one like this. But our opinion is if you want a see-through image like this, just go with clear. And the white actually does heighten it as well. So in the industry, we're trying to figure out if we're just going to do white underbase and just make sure that everything is super vibrant instead of a Mimaki like this. Do we have another Mimaki? Well, we have a Trotec. So instead of a Trotec looking like this, it would look like this, nice and bright and vibrant. So those are just some of the things that we are trying to
fine tune.
Fine tune.
Yes,
babe,
we're trying to fine tune.
Good words, yeah.
So we need those orders so we can fine tune and perfect it. So that's why it is $350 pre-orders right now. So please take advantage. And if you're like, Chelly, Carl, why do I need this? Okay, there's earrings. What am I do with earrings? This is targeted towards our people in not show events.
Yeah, like Comic-Cons.
Comic-Con. I forgot the word. Trade shows. There we go.
Yes.
Trade shows, things like that. People have events, people have pop-up shops, and accessories rule the world.
Weddings.
Weddings.
What are those things called that you just said? Events.
Yes. And then you can custom this. You can do, these are just some examples we have right now. Like we said, we're just starting this product. You can do real life images. You can do any type of images on here. You can create earrings. You can create tags, croc charms, anything like that. You can do Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, any type of holiday in those trade shows. Sometimes they have themed trade shows,
Yes.
Christmas. You can just cater to any show that you're going to. If you have an Etsy shop,
Yes.
you can sell, if you are into DTF already, which I would assume you are because you're here with our DTF, you can do a shirt with matching earrings.
Yes.
You can do giveaways with your DTF shirts to kind of get people excited about the product as well. So the possibilities are endless with our DTS.
Also, I'm so glad that you mentioned that the possibilities are endless, because you can also do metal. I can't believe I always forget about that. So many people forget that you can do metal, because whenever you show the background of it, it kind of like shimmered a little bit in the camera. It shimmered a little bit, and you would think, oh, is that metal? Actually, it's just a plastic acrylic. But yes, you can UV direct print on the flatbed directly to metal. So if you had a sheet of metal, we can do that, and it will be permanent. On top of that, it will be laser cut out. So the precision is just as good with acrylic as it is with metal.
Yes, and with our DTS gang sheet, it kind of is an easy transition. You guys are familiar with gang sheets. You guys are familiar with dimensions, setting up your gang sheet, vector images. So that is just the same thing. This is a gold one. This was without it being cut. So this is the gang sheet printed with our UJF printer.
UJF UV Flatbed printer.
Yes. So we do recommend vectored images, so you can get that highest quality, just like our DTF. We always recommend vectored images. If you do not have vector images, we can vector those images for you for a fee of course. So just remember, if you don't have high quality image, we can help you out there.
Images.
And
let's go ahead. Can you do me a favor and pop out one of these hearts, since we're almost to Valentine's Day? Do
you want a white underbase or no?
I'm going to go with the white underbase because it's super vibrant and it's just really.
All right.
Yep. So as you can see how easy that was. And we're going to put it back. And that's just a little piece of paper just to kind of hold it.
Yeah, it's sticker. It's tape. So these don't fall out.
But look at that. And does that look vectored to you? Let me see. My eyes.
Yes.
Oh, wow. See, you can't even, it's not, look at the light. See how the light, it's a little raised, but you see how the light is is the light catching? Hold on in the camera. I want to really kind of show off the detail. Yeah, so as you can see right there, look at the detail in the heart. Look at the blood right there in the heart. This on clear, I don't think that the gray background does this one justice. Just look at that in the light and watch it shine. Imagine this on clear, double-sided. It would look so vibrant. But again, it still looks vibrant, as you guys just seen on camera, but it was just really catching my eye as we are headed into Valentine's Day. And we always like to tell people that, hey, listen, Valentine's Day is such a huge time of the year, not only because it's a day that you want to share with your confidant. This is where with your beautiful confidant, but it's also the time when people start to receive their income tax.
Oh, goodness. This is another one.
Yes, here's another one with some awesome different designs.
Yeah, different. We have California. But these, as you can feel, they are very textured.
Yes.
I think she added clear ink into some of these. These are...
all of them have clear.
Well... Yeah, but
because if you touch
they are very textured.
Yep.
So just remember they're a little raised, and it kind of reminds me of our UV DTF.
Yes.
But the difference between our UV DTF and our DTS, UV DTS, is this is permanent. UV DTF will come off with, I've showed you ways to remove UV DTF, blow dryer, heat, things like that. This will not come off no matter what. So these are permanent. So just remember that. That is the difference.
Yes, because somebody will ask, well, why would I use this instead of UV DTF gang sheets? Well, one, grab that over there. This can come off. If I want to scrape this off, if I want to scrape this off, I can, right? I can do that. If this right here was put into the flatbed printer and printed on, it'd be permanent, right? So these are just some of the things that you can do with the printer. For the people out there who are looking beyond the gang sheet and looking to create this product for yourself, remember, we're also print brokers, and we can get you, we can help you get a printer as well. So we are trying to cover the knowledge to be able to do this product as well and sell it and be profitable as well. On the other side, if you want to start your own print shop and you were looking, you were only seeing a sublimation printer for stickers or signs, a DTF printer for apparel, and now here is a third option, UV flatbed printing.
So again, guys, $350 right now to join our beta testing group.
Yes.
And I think we are waiving our setup fees as of right now. This beta testing group, the setup fees are waived. So as you see, these are set up specifically with our indicator dots, or what are they called?
Yeah, they're indication dots for the camera, for the laser.
Yes, for the laser. So there's a special way that these have to be converted for our printer. So there will be setup fees once we...
For the laser. They don't have to be converted for the printer. They have to be converted for the laser.
Oh yeah, the cut lines.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, you're right. So they would have to be converted. So right now with our $350, the setup fees are waived. You will have to pay shipping, but $350 for a 24 by 12. So you can visit us at flashcustomtransfers.com, and they are on the website ready. And if you are interested in possibly having your own equipment, you can visit us at
flashprintingdepot.com. The UJF-6042 is available. And
what else do we have available?
What else do we have available? Our giveaway.
Oh, I was going to say we have financing available.
Oh, yes, we definitely have financing available for all in-house financing through First Citizens Bank. They want to help you get equipment. They have been helping customers so far from us that have been going there and getting their equipment financing set up. Guys, I told somebody today, shout out to you, man, DJ. He's one of the people that saw Carissa at the show and commented on a video today.
Oh, cool.
And then
shout out to him.
Yeah, so he's seen all this in person. He was like, man, we're blown away. He was really blown away by this product. But I told DJ, and I'm telling you now, DJ, you got to get in now. You gotta get in now, because I'm telling you, February, March, April, everybody's gonna take their income tax and they're all gonna get into this business just like last year when everybody got into DTF. So, but now everybody's moving away from those Chinese printers because there's just such a horrible story. That's the reason why we're moving forward with some big announcements. We got some big announcements, some really big collaborations coming here very, very soon. You guys are gonna see us collab with probably the biggest company in DTF, and no, it's not Karate Transfers.
Nobody's talking about that.
I'm just saying, but the biggest thing that we want to talk about, we've been talking about it more, but just gonna end the video with this, is the DTF Mimaki TXF-150 giveaway. It is available right now on the website. You will see it as soon as you go to flashcustomtransfers.com. Yes, it is true. We teamed up with Mimaki. We will be giving away. You will have an opportunity to get your very own, just the printer, not the shaker, because that's not a Mimaki product. So
thank you for clarifying.
Yeah, I have to clarify that. It is not a Mimaki product. So you will be able to enter right now. The more entries, the higher chance that you have, because you will have more entries, and we will be doing it live whenever we have the winner of who will win the DTF TXF-150 printer. So we were doing dedicated videos to that, but just want to let everybody know in this video, and hopefully you stayed here to the end of this 18-minute video.
It's 18 minutes.
Yeah, we're at 18 minutes. Listen, it is true. We are the first company that I'm aware of doing it.
No, we're trailblazers.
I don't know anybody else
who's the first company. Of course,
who's teaming up with manufacturers and giving away free printers. But you have to go on Flash Custom Transfers. The link is in the description down below. Get your ticket. $15 get you 1 entry. $25 get you 2 entries. $50 get you 5 entries. $100 get you 10 entries. 10 entries, 10 entries, 10 entries. And again, we will be revealing the person live. The winner, the wheel, we'll be spinning it. And then the lucky person will get picked, but you have to be 18 years or older.
Please read the terms and conditions. Yes, please read the terms and
conditions, because it's not for Alaska, it's not for Hawaii, because we can't ship there. So it's for the 48 continental United States, not Puerto Rico, stuff like that. What are you gonna say? Okay, so we'll talk about that too. We're gonna be adding more and more ways that you can enter to get into the giveaway of the Mimaki TXF-150 DTF printer. And it also will come with supplies and stuff like that. You're not just going to get a blank printer and then that's it. All right.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. See you next time, guys. Head on over to Flash Custom Transfers. We have more content over there. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.